What happens when a user encounters a division by zero error? Imagine trying to split a pizza into 0 slices. That just doesn't make sense, right? Well, in programming, dividing a number by 0 causes a similar problem. When a user runs a program and the code tries to divide a value by 0, a runtime error occurs. This is called a division by 0 error, and it can stop the program in its tracks. It is a common mistake that can happen in any language like Python, Java, or C++. When this error happens, the program doesn't know what to do. In many cases, the program will crash or immediately stop working. Some languages will throw an error message that says something like 0 division error or divide by 0 exception. If the error isn't caught or handled properly, it will cause the program to halt completely. This means the program stops running and the user might see an error message on the screen. Sometimes, if the error isn't managed, the program might produce an infinite or undefined result. For example, dividing a number by 0 doesn't give a real number. Instead, it results in something called infinity or an undefined value. This can cause further problems if the program tries to use that value later. It might lead to incorrect results or cause the program to behave unpredictably. Most of the time, programs can give a clear message when a division by 0 occurs. This helps developers or users understand what went wrong. To prevent this error, programmers should check the divisor before dividing. For example, they can write a simple condition like, if the divisor is not 0, before performing the division. This way, the program can skip the division or handle the situation differently if the divisor is 0. Another good practice is to use exception handling. This means wrapping the division code inside a try and catch block. If an error happens, the program catches it and can display a friendly message or take alternative actions. This prevents the program from crashing unexpectedly. Developers also write tests that specifically check for 0 as a divisor. These tests make sure the program behaves correctly when 0 is involved. In database operations, techniques like using nullif or case statements help avoid dividing by 0, preventing runtime errors in data processing. Understanding how to handle division by 0 is key to making programs more stable. By checking inputs and catching errors early, programmers can avoid crashes and keep their applications running smoothly. This approach is an important part of fixing bugs and improving software reliability.